itel has entered the 5G arena with their 5G debut device, the new itel P55 5G. Yes, you heard right, a 5G device from itel. And not just that, it comes equipped with a powerful 6nm processor. As we all know, itel excels in delivering top-notch features at affordable prices, and keeping up with their tradition of value, they have unveiled a 5G device that can be yours for roughly $120 or 144,500 naira. Inside the box, we get the usual: the phone, SIM ejector tool, hard plastic case, 18-watt charging brick, wired earphones, and the Type-C cable. In this video, we are going through everything about the itel P55 5G, from its design to cameras to performance and that 5G connectivity. My name is UD. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. If this is your first time here or you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so you get notified once we post new review videos just like this one. Also, like the video as well so that more people will get to see this review. So the itel P55 5G boasts a truly modern design, at least from the back. It has a matte finish which ensures a clean look without any fingerprint smudges, except for the camera portion, which has a glossy finish that is really reflective. The pattern on the rear sort of looks like a time-lapse shot of the night sky. I think this design looks better in black. The phone has flat sides, so it has that boxy feel on the hands. We also see the itel power branding on the rear. The itel P55 5G doesn't look so modern from the front though, with that teardrop notch. You know, the P55 5G is the flagship of the P55 series, but it's the one that doesn't have the punch hole cutout, surprisingly. The fingerprint scanner is on the side and it works very well. At the bottom, we find the mono speaker grille, Type-C port, microphone, and headphone jack. On the left side, we see the dual 5G SIM slot plus memory card. 6.6-inch 720p 90Hz LCD display with a teardrop notch is what we get on the itel P55 5G. This is kind of like the standard display on budget devices nowadays. In fact, spec-wise, it's the same on all devices in the P55 series. The display is good. It boasts a peak brightness of 500 nits, and I really appreciate the high refresh rate display, which enhances the speed and smoothness of visuals. While it's only 720p, there is really nothing to complain about. I believe itel had to make some compromises to offer this product at such an affordable price, and I believe that many people will find this display to be satisfactory. Android 13 is what's running on the itel P55 5G on itel's Android Skin version 13. We get tons of features on here like Smart Panel, Social Turbo, Game Mode, Dual Apps, even the dynamic bar is here. Pretty cool. But one feature I find really interesting is Smart Touch. So you long press with 2 fingers and you're able to extract text from pages on your screen. It also works on pictures. I find this really nice and it can actually be really helpful. We also get the Ivana AI assistant on here, which is integrated with ChatGPT, so you can do a lot with it. Write a letter to Manchester United. Tell them to start winning games.
Dear Manchester United, I hope this letter finds you well. As a passionate fan, I wanted to express my concern about the team's recent performance. It has been disappointing to see the team struggle and not achieve the desired results. I believe in the talent and potential of the players and the coaching staff. I urge you to regroup, analyze the areas that need improvement, and work together to start winning games.
Performance-wise, the itel P55 5G comes with 6GB of RAM, expandable to 12GB via MEMS fusion, and 128GB of internal storage, and it's powered by a 6nm processor, the MediaTek Dimensity 6080. The smaller the nanometer, the more efficient the processor is, and this is actually a pretty solid processor capable of handling all your gaming and multitasking needs. I had no trouble playing most games on high settings effortlessly. Even a heavy game like Genshin Impact was playable. In the Geekbench test, it scored 750 in single core and 2087 in multi-core. Additionally, in the Antutu benchmark, it achieved a score of 408,880. Therefore, performance is not an issue for the itel P55 5G. In fact, it's one of its strong points. Other phones that are even more expensive than the itel P55 5G often come with processors like the MediaTek Helio G99, which is a good processor, but it is inferior to the MediaTek Dimensity 6080 on here. So performance-wise, the itel P55 5G is leading the pack. The MediaTek Dimensity 6080 is also 5G capable, hence the name the itel P55 5G. I did test out the internet speeds in comparison with a regular 4G device, and of course the P55 5G was just way better. These are screenshots, by the way. So even when internet connection wasn't so strong on this screenshot here, the itel P55 5G was still able to pull ahead. So the P55 5G not only outperforms phones in this price range and sometimes even more expensive phones, but it also delivers faster internet speeds. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery that supports up to 18 watts charging, and the charger is included in the box. During my usage, I found that the phone lasted for a full day, so battery life is good. And charging the phone from 0 to 100% takes around 2 hours and 20 minutes. Lastly, the cameras. Cameras on the itel P55 5G are actually pretty decent. So we get a 50 megapixel main camera at the back. The second one is just an AI camera. Now up front we get an 8 megapixel front facing camera. Now both rear and front facing cameras are capable of shooting videos in 2K resolution at 30 fps. So now I'm going to show you some pictures and videos that I took with the itel P55 5G. Check them out and let me know what you think of its quality in the comments below. Hey guys, so I'm currently shooting on the selfie camera of the itel P55 5G, 2K at 30 frames per second. So let me know what you think of the audio quality and of course the video quality in the comments below. Okay guys, so we're now shooting on the rear camera of the itel P55 5G, shooting at 2K resolution at 30 frames per second. So yeah, let me know what you think of the microphone's audio quality and of course the video quality. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, so that's our review of the itel P55 5G. If I could describe this phone in one word, it would be fast. So we have a high refresh rate display, which is fast. Next, we have a powerful 6nm processor, which is fast. And lastly, we have 5G, which is fast internet. So if you are someone who needs a phone that is not just reliable but also fast, and you're also on a budget, then the itel P55 5G is a no-brainer. Yeah, we could complain that this phone doesn't have a 1080p display or stereo speakers, but if it did have those features, the price of this phone would climb up to 200,000 naira. Now, at its price range, the itel P55 5G is one of the fastest, if not the fastest phone out there. Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more reviews just like this one. My name is Yudi, this is Yudi Shoots, and you'd see me in my next video.